Everyone, so today I will talk about a link building project for 1 month for a website. So it was one of my project for this buyer Gabriel Mikuel, and he asked me for the link building project. I have done. Let me show you. It was another project for link building, and I was committed and I was created a project to create high quality backlinks, almost 100 backlinks, more than 100 for $100. So let me show you this one. Yes, just found it here. So my project was about you will get monthly SEO service to rank your website in Google. So at first they have placed the order, then this buyer submitted the requirement. I asked him for the website and the keywords. His website was a nice one. Then I have completed the work. He reviews and approves the work, the project complete, and I have got paid $100. So this was the link building task I have done. Let me show you the link building what I have done for this $100. Let me show you. So this is the Web 2.0 website blocks, Web 2.0 backlinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 25 Web 2.0 high quality Web 2.0 backlinks. And for this high quality Web 2.0 backlinks, I have made 25 high quality articles. Then we have done social bookmarking, almost 24, almost 35, 40, 44, 48, 52, 54, 56, almost 150 social bookmarking backlinks. And this was infographic backlinks, lots of infographic. These are the image submission backlinks. 4 types of backlinks I have made in my project, $100 project. Web 2.0 backlinks, social bookmarking backlinks, infographic backlinks, and also the image backlinks. So these backlinks were high in quality, and buyer approved the project and given me a 5-star with a $100 project. So if you want to make money from Upwork, you should create your own project in Upwork. Your own project will help you to make money from Upwork. What you have to do is go to Upwork like this. Suppose you have your own profile right now. This is my profile. Then what you have to do is go to here, my project dashboard. Then these are my project. You have to click here, create a project. Then when you will click here, this will come up. Suppose you are creating a website, you have to write you will get a responsive WordPress website. So this will be your profile. I have two profile, and these are the tags what you will do. Suppose website and CMS bug fixes, full website creation, WordPress customization. Suppose you are doing the full website creation, then you can choose, it is optional, and this is the plugin, optional plugin. You can choose any of the plugins what you will use, and these are the tags place. Then next you will add the pricing, then you will add the project gallery, then the process how you will complete this project, then the description what your buyer will get from you, then the review, and Upwork will approve your work if it is perfect. So what you have to do is create your own project to make money. If you have any question about Upwork or creating Upwork profile or freelancing, you can contact with me. I was a top rated Upwork SEO expert, and even now working in Upwork, and I am also working in some companies, multinational companies. So I have my own agency here. I have also web design expertise, and I have a agency, web novels. Let's have a look at this one, web novels. This is my agency. From this agency we are offering digital marketing, website